Hello, my name is Max Munford. I'm an engineer at Imperial College London's Biomechanics group, and I'm going to be speaking to you today about our new pre-spin-out venture, OSSTEC. We're combining biomechanics with additive manufacturing to develop orthopaedic implants which maintain bone quality in the long term, and we're seeking feedback from industry professionals as we develop these implants further. We'd like to thank our funding sources, and we have no further disclosures. Existing orthopaedic implants provide successful treatment for knee osteoarthritis. However, they cause loss of bone quality over time, leading to more dangerous and expensive revision surgeries and high implant failure rates, particularly in young patients. OSSTEC tibial implants will stimulate healthy bone growth, allowing simpler revision surgery, and this has many benefits. This could allow suppliers of implants to capture high growth in existing and emerging markets, while offering hospitals and surgeons a safer revision treatment for patients, as well as a 35% annual saving on lifetime costs. Crucially for patients, our implant technology could mean additional years of quality life by reducing the need for augments and larger implant systems, which typically have poorer patient outcomes. These implants use patent-filed additive manufacturing technology to restore a healthy mechanical environment in the proximal tibia, stimulating long-term bone growth. Proven benefits of this technology include increased bone formation and osseointegration, shown in an animal model, and restoration of native load transfer, shown in a human cadaveric model. This technology could help capture the large annual growth rate currently seen in the cementless knee reconstruction market, worth $1.2 billion. Furthermore, analysis suggests that an additional market of currently untreated younger patients exists, making revision surgery easier and therefore reducing the risk of treating younger patients would enable access to this market. We aim to sell implants to existing orthopaedic manufacturers who would then provide them with instrumentation to hospitals and surgeons. Existing implant materials do provide good options for patient treatments. However, OSSTEC's porous titanium structures offer unique competitive advantages, combining options for modular design, cementless fixation, initial bone fixation, and crucially long-term bone maintenance. Speaking to surgeons operating in a variety of markets has shown that many surgeons are keen to pursue bone-preserving surgeries and the use of porous implants. Furthermore, there is a growing demand to treat young patients. Actually, the proportion of patients younger than 65 who are treated has grown by 25% over the past 10 years. Similarly, many surgeons are keen to make the move to providing more cementless knee treatments, where patient volume has doubled in the past 4 years, and is following similar trends in hip treatments. The team who are pushing this forward contains both engineers and surgeons who have experience developing multiple orthopaedic implants, which have treated over 200,000 patients. To date, we have raised £175,000 for the research and development of these implants, and we're currently working to satisfy regulatory standards. We hope to gain insight from industry professionals before further development towards our aim to begin trials for regulatory approval in 2026. We're so excited about the path ahead, and we believe that these implants can really add quality to patients' lives. I'd like to thank all of the ISTA organisers for giving me the opportunity to present to you today, and thank you for listening. I welcome any questions that you may have and look forward to discussing with you further. Thank you.